I want to start this video off today showing the use of first look sensor, and I have my Pico scope 2-channel 3000 series scope connected here, and as you can see the first look sensor is connected in the exhaust. And I'll walk up to the front here and show you the connections under the hood. This is a 305 old school Chevy V8 distributor HEI ignition. I've got the secondary adapter connected over here on a coil on plug adapter, secondary probe, and then I've got cylinder number 1 over here grounded out to pick up the misfire. Okay, so I'm going to start the engine and reach inside of here, start the engine. Okay, there it goes. Finally started. Idle it up a little bit. Alright, walk around here. Get the scope going. And here we go. Alright, as you can see, hopefully you can see this screen and see the negative going pulses picking up, and you know, that's the channel A is the parade on the coil and secondary parade, and channel B is the first look sensor in the exhaust. And as you can see, the misfire is showing up on the number 6, just before the number 6 event, when the exhaust valve for that companion cylinder number 1 opens. So hopefully you can see that, and it's a pretty neat device to be able to pick up a misfire in this fashion. So that's the conclusion of the video. Hope you enjoyed it.